What if I told you that $BOXL just gapped up 125.3% in a single session? We're talking a double plus move on nearly 127 million shares. But here's the thing. This isn't luck. This is what happens when you scan 12,000 stocks daily and isolate the real rockets before they explode. Today's pre-market run found 5 absolute movers. And I'm breaking down all of them for you right now. We're operating in an after-market session, which means volatility can shift fast. Today's scan identified 5 stocks with explosive momentum. Scores ranging from 55 to 65 out of 100. What's crazy? 3 of these are rating as explosive, tier, and 1 as strong. We've got combined volume hitting 700 plus million shares across just 5 names. The smallest float here is 3.2 million shares on $BOXL. That's important for momentum potential. Let's dig into each one and show you exactly where to enter, where to take profits, and where to cut losses. Let's start with number 1. $BOXL. Score: 65 out of 100. Our highest today. This is a MOONSHOT tier stock. And it's up 125.3% to $6.60. Volume is insane. 126.7 million shares trading with a 2.0x relative volume multiplier. The float is just 3.2 million. Which means you've got the liquidity without the dilution working against you. Entry is at current price $6.6. Target 1 sits at $6.94. And your moonshot target is $9.89. Stop. D for a 50% move to the second target. Next up, $BQ at a 63 out of 100 score. Explosive tier. Up 54.3% to $1.245. This one's interesting. BOXL shares just resumed trade, which is a catalyst we're monitoring. 238 million shares moving on 2.0x relative volume. The float is 3.4 million. Nearly identical to $BOXL's liquidity profile. Entry: $1.245. Target 1. $1.27. Target 2. $1.52. Stop at $1.16. This is a tighter range. But the volume and float. See quick moves to those levels. Number 3. OFAL. Score: 57 out of 100. Also explosive tier. Up 78.1% to $1.27. This one's printing 296 million shares. Some of the heaviest volume today. The float is bigger at 21 million. But don't sleep on it. 2 times relative volume means smart money is moving. Entry $1.27. Target $1.40. Target $1.80. Stop $1.23. This is a lower risk setup with tighter stops but higher potential move to that $1. NTIAL move to that $1.80 second target. Fourth, GXAI. Score: 55 out of 100. EXPLOSIVE. Up 55.8% to $1.38. Here's the catalyst. SEC 8K filing covering financial results and exhibits. That's news-driven momentum, which can be either super explosive or can reverse fast. So this one needs careful position sizing. 18.8 million shares on 1.9x relative volume. Float: 5.7 million. Entry $1.38. Target $1.45. Target $2.07. Stop $1.21. The second. 0% upside from entry. And finally, number 5. XHLD. Score: 55 out of 100. Strong tier. Up 44% to $5.14. Smallest move here but the highest price. Which matters psychologically. 43 million shares. 2.0x relative volume. 3.2 million float. No recent catalyst. This is pure technical momentum. Entry $5.14. Target $5.17. Target $6.26. Stop $4.64. This one's a longer term hold if it breaks target 1 cleanly. Here's what to watch for confirmation tomorrow. First, $BOXL needs to hold above $6.6 in the pre-market. If it opens above that and momentum carries, you could see a run toward $6.94 within the first 30 minutes. Second, BQ's resumption of trading can go both ways. Watch the first 15 minutes of pre-market for rejection or acceptance of this level. Third, $OFAL and GXAI both have high relative volume. So watch for fading into the open. That's your entry signal if yesterday's momentum stalls. And $XHLD. Tighter range here means you need that $5.17 break for confirmation. The absolute best play tomorrow morning? Watch which 2 or 3 of these consolidate tightly between 4 and 6 a.m. Eastern Time. That's your real rocket fuel. Tight consolidation plus 2.0x volume on the break equals explosive first hour movement. That's the pattern we hunt for. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. For detailed analysis, entry confirmation signals, and real-time alerts on these exact stocks, head to TDVW.com. That's where we post our daily scans before the market opens so you never miss a rocket again. See you tomorrow morning. Let's make it count.